What a baby woodpecker. Wow. Nice. I heard the noise, I had to stop. Look at him. Here he's going. Oh, he's flying. Oh, you can see him. Then again to another tree. Those guys go fast. I've seen another one. Let's see. Oh, he's up on the tree. They are faster than me taking video. Where are they? He's gone. I know he's somewhere around. We'll catch him. My little woodpecker. Ah, here is he. Tuck, 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 he go. Tuck, tuck, he go. Tuck, 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 tuck. Oh, what a strong little pucker. Amazing, huh? Oh, what a beautiful. Let's see how long I can grab him. Going up and down. How lovely. Yeah, we'll focus on him till he fly again. Nice. You have to be so fast with those woodpecker because they're fast.